All right, one more Zentangle pattern or tangle to learn, which is going to be surfs up. So this is a little bit different of a pattern. It's intended to be more of a border, and you could make it larger or smaller. I'm just going to show you an example, and then you can use this however you want, just like with any of these tangles. So we're going to start off with a slightly curved line, and then higher up in the box, the same slightly curved line. So I'm going to fill most of the box, but like I said, this could be a smaller pattern or skinnier pattern. It's kind of up to you. But this kind of creates it's like a border type of pattern. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line that comes down to the bottom line, curves up to the top line, down to the bottom line, and just the tallest and lowest parts of my curve are hitting the top and bottom lines. I got a little out there. All right, so I'm going to work in one section at a time. We have these different sections created by these U shapes and upside down U shapes. I'm going to start in the upside down U shape, and I'm going to have a line that starts from this left edge and then sort of follows the right edge. It kind of mimics that same curve. So coming straight out from the left and then curving along with the right until you run out of space. I'm going to do that in the same exact way in this other upside down U. Starting out from the left and curving along with the right until you run out of space. And I'll just fill this one in here. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with the other shapes, except now I'm going to do it upside down. I'm going to start at the left, and I'm going to curve up with the right. And then same thing here. You get this wavy effect, hence the title, Surfs Up. So over here, I just see a little hint of the pattern, so I'm going to kind of indicate that it continues. All right, so this is the basis of Surfs Up. This is one that really benefits from a little shading. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to shade at that left side of each U shape. So where those left lines kind of came out from the U, I'm shading from that point. So this way it makes it look like there's a sort of a tunnel effect. I'm going to do that in the upside down sections too, just to the left of each U. Shade it a little bit, give it a little depth, like so. So that surfs up. Now, if I wanted to, I could do an aura. Remember, auras are outlines, so I could add in an aura. I could make that darker if I wanted to add a little contrast here. Don't have to. But that is a way to hide some of my messy lines there too. Or I could do like just an aura of a few different wavy lines kind of continuing on that wave. Could also do, if you need a little more of a textured edge, you could add some perfs. So those are just extras that you can add to these patterns as you would like them. And that surfs up.